Hey guys, I hope you guys are good. Welcome back to the channel. And I know it's been a hot minute, but a lot has happened. No, not much has happened, but a lot has changed in the last couple of months for me. And not too long after posting my last video, I think. Yeah. Not too long after posting my last video, my father passed away in Ghana. And if you guys have been like avid members of our community, then you will know just how much I really wanted to go back to Ghana this year. I made a video, or I mentioned in like quite a few videos last year, that I just felt like I had to go and see my dad. Like I felt like I had to go visit him this year. I felt really strongly that I had to go and see him this year, and I was going to, I'd booked my ticket for April, and I'd planned to go back and just spend as much time as I could with him. And then I also wanted to do a few like wild seed stuff and do my Ghana like wild seed product launch stuff there while I was at it. But the main point of the trip was to pretty much go and see my dad, and I was very, very, very excited about that. And I just didn't get to go. I didn't get to go because of COVID, and I just thought, okay, well, I'll go next year. But God knows best, and there's a reason for everything. And I wasn't trying to come here and do a crying video, for Pete's sakes, but anyway, it's fine. I will feel my emotions as they come. That's okay. So last month, October, I woke up and my mom told me that he passed away. He passed away in the night, and yeah, and he's gone. And I kind of feel a bit strange just kind of jumping back into regular life and just like making my usual content. In fact, I have like 2 campaign videos that I agreed to do, and I've been struggling so much because it just feels so strange to just be doing like normal without coming on here and letting you guys know. At this point we're family, and most of you see me as like your little sister or your friend, and you guys are like my extended family. I've said this so many times, but just throughout life, YouTube really has been an escape for me. Not just like an escape, but just a place of comfort. And yeah, when we talk about self-care and wellness, for me, doing YouTube is an act of self-care for me. It's also part of like my wellness. I don't know what I was saying. Anyway, I just felt really strange just jumping in, and it was the same thing with Instagram. So if you follow me on Instagram, you probably already know that my dad passed away. I had a campaign that had to go up on Instagram that I had already like signed a contract and shot for, and well, I hadn't even shot for it yet, but I'd signed the contract to do it, and I had to post it. And I just felt really strange just like posting a campaign and ad without just letting people know beforehand, because I hadn't posted in ages. Then I was going to post this one thing and probably not post again for a while, which I haven't. But I just had to let people know how I was feeling, and I like to write down how I'm feeling. And it's very cathartic for me. So I wanted to share how I felt about my dad's passing, you know, like what he meant to me, and just the feelings around it, because I felt so guilty for just not being able to go. I felt really, really guilty that I didn't get to go or say goodbye, or, you know, I don't know. I felt really, really guilty. So anyway, I'd hoped that my words would resonate with people. You know, I'm not the first person to lose a parent. There have been and will be people that go through the same thing. It's part of life. And this year has been particularly hard for so many people, and so many people have lost loved ones. So I wanted to share my words in the hopes that it would bring comfort to somebody as well. So I did that, and I'll share the link to that post below. But I just felt like I had to come on here and let you guys know. I don't know if you can see, but my bags have gotten so bad, and my under eyes are like perpetually black now. I don't even think you can tell in the camera, but I just wanted to let you guys know what's happening. And so for those of you who don't know, my dad is Muslim, and so he was actually buried the same day that he passed away, which was really, really hard for me, because it's like I felt like I didn't have a moment to catch my breath. You know, it's like I found out that he passed away, and then like within a few hours I also found out that he was being buried. So he passed away like around 2 a.m. and by 2:30 that afternoon they also buried him. So it was extra hard, you know. I felt like I lost him, and then like I really, really lost him, you know. Like he's gone, and he was really gone altogether really quickly. And it was just such an overwhelming feeling. But contrary to what you're seeing, I'm doing so much better. I'm doing much better. And I'm so grateful for like all my amazing friends that were just really there for me. And then once I actually like shared with like more people, I was just so surprised and overwhelmed with the amount of people that reached out to me with just the beautiful, kind words. And I have people that I went to like uni and college with that have reached out to me, and it just meant so much to me that they cared enough to do that. I was just overwhelmed with a lot of love, and yeah, that was nice. That was nice. But yeah, I'm just really grateful for the amazing people that God's placed in my life, for moments such as this, you know, which is, yeah, I'm grateful. Anyway, so like I said, my dad's already been buried, but we're going to Ghana. The whole family is going. We're going to do his 40 days. So traditionally, when a Muslim passes away, there is a 40 days of mourning. So we're going back to do the 40 days of mourning, which essentially is just a ceremony where they do prayers. We pray for his journey, we pray for him. And I'm gonna do a tribute. I'm writing the tribute on behalf of his children, all of us, all 10 of us. I haven't started it yet because I'm not sure. I usually, you know what to say. I'm very good with words. Words is like my thing. And right now, I don't know what to say. And so I'm going with that. I'm gonna leave it because I know that I always come through. I believe in myself. I believe in myself that at the right time I'll find the right words to write down. So for now, I'm not gonna force it or anything like that. But we're going back for that. So it's like the prayers, and then there's like a reception where we host people, and then we just gift people in his name. So that's what the 40 days of mourning is gonna be. I'm gonna put the flyer that we made for it in here. I designed it for Daddy, and I'm really looking forward to going back home because I feel like once we do that, we're all gonna feel much better. And I just want to go and be around his stuff, you know. So yeah, so we're going to Ghana on Tuesday, and I'm gonna vlog. The plan is I'm gonna vlog because I also personally want this moment to look back on and just to admire my strength in this time. Once again, I feel like there's been so many moments in life that I've managed to pull through thanks to God's grace, and I want this moment to look back on. So anyway, I'm gonna vlog, and then I'll work out whether or not I'm gonna post the vlogs or which parts of the vlogs I'm gonna post. But I want to share Daddy with you guys, you know. I don't think I have, and I haven't had an opportunity to. And in fact, even a lot of people around me, you know, they've heard me talk about my dad here and there, but not many people really knew about the relationship that I had with my dad. Because I just felt like he's not here, so I didn't really talk about him that much to people because I felt like they don't know him. Do you know what I mean? So I want to vlog and share this journey of my life with you guys. I've been doing YouTube since I was like 20, and I'm gonna be 32, you know, so you guys have been around for like so much. Anyway, so like I said, I'm gonna vlog, and I'll see which parts of the vlog will go up and share with you. But more importantly, I just wanted to come here and do this and say this because life goes on, and I'm trying to move forward and have some form of normality. But I can't do that. I can't just like turn on the camera and be like, hey, da, 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 and just post like a video and go, because that's not where I am. I want you guys to know where I am right now. So if I do post a video and, you know, there's sadness in my eyes or something, like, you know why. Or if I post a video and I just don't seem like myself, it's because I'm not myself, and that's okay. That's okay. It's okay. I'm not gonna pretend. I can't pretend. So there are days when I'm genuinely fine, and yeah, you get that. And then there'll be days where I might not be fine. But I think for the most part I'll be fine. Going through, when mum had her breast cancer, like, I literally came on YouTube every single day and pretended that I was perfectly fine every single time, and most people around me thought I was perfectly fine, and I actually wasn't. I was pretty depressed. I gained like loads of weight at that time, and I was definitely depressed. I ate because I was depressed. Okay, I literally went from like a size 6 to basically virgin, like a size 12 in, I want to say, like 3 months period. And yeah, this time round I'm not gonna pretend I'm okay when I'm not okay. I'm too grown for that. So if I'm not fine, I'm not fine. If I'm fine, I'm fine, and that's okay. I've learned that. But anyway, I've got a really exciting video that I want to share with you. I haven't filmed it yet, but I'm going to be filming a video with a dear friend of mine, aka my little brother, whom I love dearly. And I just want to share his story with you of just remarkable like bravery and amazingness on a topic that not a lot of people talk about. And yeah, anyway, I hope you guys are good. I love you, and I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry, because I give you my all, as private as I am as a YouTuber. I'm also quite I just believe in being vulnerable. I believe that my vulnerability helps you, it helps me, and I'm leaning more into that because, you know, you live one life at this point. So anyway, I love you guys. Yeah. Bye.